Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going on a journey of transformation. We're talking about moving and downsizing after the sale and tips for a smooth transition. I'm Jason Hubbard with EXP Realty, your guide through the exciting yet challenging process of making a fresh start. If you're gearing up for a move or you're just curious about simplifying your space, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find these tips helpful. Subscribe for more information and more insightful content. Let's get started. Kicking off with our first golden nugget, start early. The earlier you begin this process, the more time you have. Planning ahead allows for thoughtful decisions, reduces stress, and ensures a seamless transition. Who doesn't want that? Before you start packing, declutter like a pro. Assess your belongings, decide what you need, and part ways with the rest. Donating to local charities not only reduces waste, but also gives back to the community. It's a win-win. Are you moving to a smaller space? Craft a floor plan to visualize where your furniture and belongings will fit. This strategic step helps you decide what to keep, what to sell, and what to donate. Be realistic about the space you'll have and embrace the art of downsizing with a well thought out plan. Gather your packing arsenal: boxes, tape, bubble wrap, and packing paper. Having a variety of box sizes and using color-coded labels makes the packing process a breeze. A room-by-room approach to packing is a game changer. Label each box with its contents and designated room. This not only streamlines the moving process, but it also ensures a smooth unpacking experience. Sometimes it's the simplest things that can improve the process. Create an inventory list as you pack. This superhero list helps you keep track of your belongings, ensuring that everything arrives safely at your new home. Super organized equals super efficient. Now, for the heavy lifting and long distance moves, consider the pros, professional movers. Get quotes, do your research, and let experienced movers handle the logistics. Your back will thank you. If you need any assistance finding a mover, just let me know. Don't forget the logistical dance. Notify utility companies, post offices, and service providers about your move. Disconnect at the old place and connect at the new one. Many times this step is forgotten until it's too late. Don't forget to update your address with important organizations, from the post office to your bank to your car payment. Keep the connections alive by updating your address for subscriptions, online accounts, and with friends and family. Your precious items deserve special treatment. Keep important documents, jewelry, and valuables with you during the move. A small safe or a lockbox adds an extra layer of security to your treasures. Remember, downsizing isn't just about space. It's a lifestyle shift. Embrace the opportunity and let go of sentimental items. Focus on what truly matters and create a more inviting space for your new home. In the end, remember, moving and downsizing signify a fresh start. Embrace the change, explore your new surroundings, and turn this transition into an opportunity to reorganize your life. Moving and downsizing can be transformative, not just for your home, but for your entire lifestyle. With early planning, careful execution, and the occasional help from professionals, you can embark on this journey with confidence. Embrace the process as a chance to declutter, simplify, and begin a new chapter in your life. If you found these tips about moving and downsizing insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more real estate wisdom, and ring that bell for timely notifications. And for an even deeper dive into the world of real estate transitions, check out the link at the top of the page. Until next time, this is Jason Hubbard with EXP Realty.